kitchen guide. How to simple make a simple drink. That's for the kids. Then the kids can have this in the summer break, which is gonna come up very soon. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and it's very easy. You can use milk instead of Nutrimint. So it's just very easy and simple recipe, guys, as I can see. So enjoy the recipe, and remember, get a copy of the cookbook on Amazon, 50% off. And thank you so much. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye. Show the drinks channel, everything we make for you guys, and it is Chef Ricardo on the show today. One more time again, just gonna show you what you can do at home when you have a Oreo biscuit. This is the original one, and I'm telling you, it is the best ever to make drinks. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put 5 inside of it. Alright? 5 of this Oreo biscuit. They are beautiful, nice, and tasty. Second thing, we're gonna get some ice cream. This is vanilla ice cream, and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 scoops of ice cream. Lovely and nice. That's what you want to see. Alright? Second thing, I got some Nutrimint, which is vanilla flavor also. Be careful when you open it, guys. Open it like this, and we're gonna pour some inside of it like this. You can use milk if you don't have this one, alright? And I'm using roughly quarter of it inside of it. And all I'm gonna do is put on my blender, smoothie blender cover like this, and I'm gonna blend this, make sure it's sealed tight, that's energy don't come out. And all I'm gonna do is just blend this for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds. That's a really good blender, alright? Nice. I just finished blending it, but the only problem is a little bit dark because I put too much of the biscuit inside of it. So what we're gonna do is add a little bit more of the Nutrimint to it, so roughly half of the Nutrimint. Some people use milk to make the shake, but I'm just using the Nutrimint because the Nutrimint have a lot of vitamin inside of it. Nice and lovely. So it is finished. Let's remove it, give it a shake. Let's move this and put this aside, guys. Then second thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour it out just to make you see exactly what we're all about with this drink. So we pour it like this. Oh man, look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Everything done inside of it. Lovely and nice. So if you want to make a nice, lovely drink like this at home, this is how it comes. Really handy and nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment with a lot more recipe like this coming out for you guys. And hopefully we can come with the best, better recipe for you. See you next time. Bye bye.